Iron your damn clothes. Iron your damn clothes. Hey beauties, my name is Valerie and welcome to my channel where we're all about fashion, lifestyle, advice, and of course, owning your crown. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to always look good. Step number one is, of course, confidence. We all know that person who walks into a room wearing a freaking beanbag on their head, their feet, and as underwear, and can still command the attention of thousands. A good example would be our Queen Rihanna, Relicious. She looks good in absolutely everything. That's because of her aura, her confidence. She can make anything look good, honey. And so can you, as long as you got that confidence. Wear clothes that fit. You do not want to be drowning in clothes if you're wearing clothes that are too big. It makes you look like you're drowning. It makes you look sloppy. It makes you look messy and not the right type of mess. Another tip would be don't wear clothes that you have to pull up or adjust or continue to tuck in or whatever, because it takes away from the energy of the whole outfit. Because like I said, everything comes from confidence. But if you're wearing clothes that you feel are too open or it's too short or it's too tight or it's too whatever, it takes away from your confidence and ultimately the energy of the whole outfit. Step number 3. I cannot stress how important this step is, because whether you're confident or not confident or you're wearing the latest Gucci, whatever, if you do not do this one thing, you're off to the bin. You're off to the bin. You're off to the bin. Wait for me on comment. Iron your damn clothes. Iron your damn clothes. Please iron your clothes, okay? It doesn't take 2 seconds. Matter of fact, it takes like 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long, yo. And I understand that there's people who struggle with ironing their clothes. I have a tip for y'all as well. So what you do when you're done washing your clothes, when they're dry and everything, you line everything up and you iron everything one by one. Put it on your hanger. At least do it for the whole, do enough clothes for the whole week. If you're going on a job interview or you're going on a date or any way that is super important, and your clothes are not ironed, are you confused? Are you confused? Invest in an iron or a steamer and just make sure that your clothes are clean and crisp. Or you can invest in clothes that are made of materials that don't need a lot of ironing, minimal to literally no ironing at all. You can buy a few shirts, and I know that with some denims, literally all you have to do is hang it up on your hanger. It'll stay like that for a while. You don't have to iron it for a little bit. But please, iron your damn clothes. Step number 4. Accessorize. You can turn anything regular degular and make it into freaking Met Gala worthy, okay? This is like a teardrop shaped little jewel, and this one is more blingy. So you just want to mix it up and make it look cute. It adds a bit more dimension and flair to your outfit. So for example, this top that I have on, I don't know if y'all can see that. That's a super simple little cropped top. And without the jewelry, it would look like this. Super regular, super normal, nothing special about it. And then when you add the jewelry, it just, honey, it makes it pop, okay? So invest in little pieces of jewelry. For example, I got this one from Lovisa. I also got this from, I think I got everything from Lovisa. Nope, it's a lie. I got this from Lovisa and this from Lovisa and this I got from Edgar's. This was 50 Rand, okay. You can also get some really cute rings from Lovisa. They're constantly on sale. You could get like 3 different kind of things for 120. I think that's a sale that they have on now, where you can get rings. You can also get like necklaces. You can get earrings. Pick any 3 or sometimes even 5 for between 100 and 240 Rand, which I think is a really good deal. Wait, you guys, can I just say that was a whole promo video for Lovisa. Lovisa, please sponsor me. Please sponsor you, girl. So just to recap on all of the steps, step number 1, confidence. You can wear a beanbag and still look good as long as you feel good in it. Step number 2, wear clothes that fit you. Please. Wear clothes that fit you. Step number 3, iron your damn clothes. Step number 4, accessorize. Everything can look good with a bit of bling. That is unfortunately all that we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please do that already. Join the family and hit that notification button so you can be notified every time that I post a new video, which is going to be probably, if not definitely, every Friday. Look out for that. Thank you again for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.